Please power off Yarbo before any operation. Use Allen key 1 to unscrew the 5 bolts located on each side of the auger housing extension. This part is auger housing extension. 5 bolts are located here. Remove the auger housing extension with protection fence. Retrieve the positioning bolts from the bolt pack. Install them into the designated holes located at the auger housing using Allen key 2. Ensure you attach 2 positioning bolts to each side. Take out the plow blade. Carefully align the notches on both sides of the plow blade with the bolts you installed in the previous step. Take out the bolts from the bolts pack. There are 2 types of bolts available for you. If you need to frequently attach and detach the plow blade, we recommend using thumb screw bolts for convenient installation. If you do not need to frequently attach and detach the plow blade, we recommend tool-required bolts for installation. Let's start with thumb screw bolts first. Ensure you screw 2 thumb screw bolts on each side. Or you can screw tools required bolts using Allen key 1. The plow blade is attached to snowblower module right now. The wear bar is very sharp, so we recommend wearing gloves before handling it. If you wish to remove it, unscrew the 5 bolts using Allen key 2. For easier unscrewing, begin by using the short end of the Allen key to loosen the 5 bolts. Then switch to the long end of the Allen key to complete the process. To install the wear bar, first take out a new wear bar. Then screw the tightening bolts using Allen key 2.